In this video, we're going to find out the acceleration of a cheetah. So cheetah can quickly go from 0 mile per hour to 60 mile per hour just in 3 seconds. So from this information, we have to find out what is the average acceleration of a cheetah. So let's write down all the given values here. So we know the initial speed of the cheetah is 0 mile per hour because it is going from 0 mile, or it is starting from rest position. And we have to convert all the mile per hour into SI units, and the SI unit is meter per second. Okay, so all the distance must be written down in meter, and all the time must be in second. So we have to convert mile per hour to meter per second. The final speed is 60 mile per hour. So we have to convert this number, the mile per hour, to meter per second. So let's do that. The mile. First we have to convert mile. So 1 mile is 1600 meter. So 1 mile, let me write down here. The 1 mile is 1600 meter, or we can also call 1.6 kilometer, but again kilometer is not the SI units, you have to convert into the meter. So that's the 1600 meter. And then per hour, you have an hour. And how do you convert hour into seconds? 1 hour has 60 minutes, and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 60 seconds now. So 60 times 60 is 3600 seconds. So if you do the math, the number you will get is 26.7 meter per second. That's the speed of the cheetah after 3 seconds. The time is given, that is 3 seconds. So all you have to use is the acceleration formula. What does the acceleration mean? The acceleration means change in here, because everything is in one direction, so we simply call it the change in speed. In fact, it is the change in velocity divided by the time. So change in velocity divided by the time. So that's the formula here. Change in velocity. So when we calculate change in velocity, what does this mean? What is the final velocity and what is the initial velocity divided by the time? So the final velocity we have is 26.7, and initial velocity, that means the cheetah is starting from rest, which is 0, and the total time to happen this velocity change is 3 seconds. So if you do the math, you will get this number here, 8.9 meter per second square. That's the average acceleration. Okay, and in fact, for those who are a little bit more interested, acceleration is a vector quantity, and I'll explain this in another video. So this is it from this video. And again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.